I'm Jose Torres, and welcome to I Want to Teach English. Today I want to be talking about reflective journal writing. And I want to go over some clear step-by-step instructions on how to really put this into play, because this is a very important strategy to use, especially with like the level 1, level 2, beginner level, and even advanced level students. The art of journal writing it's a little bit more nuanced, and it requires students to be a little bit more cognizant of what they're writing about. This could be extremely helpful for them improving their communication skills. So let's get right to it. If you're working with level 1 English learners, you know how important it is for them to practice writing in a meaningful way. But how do we make writing accessible and engaging when students are just beginning to put sentences together? Step 1, keep it structured and simple. Reflection is a powerful tool, but for English learners, structure is key. We can't just say, practice what you learn. We have to scaffold the process. And here are some of the best ways to do that. Use sentence starters. Give students prompts like, today I learned about, or one new word I learned is, or I practiced blank in class today. But you know what you're working on in your lesson, so these are just examples, but you get the idea. So whatever the curriculum you're working with, or whatever lessons you're working on, whatever activities you're doing that you really want them to focus on some of those. You know the lessons inside and out. You have the activities you guys are doing. Whatever your students are working on, those are the types of details that you want included in your prompts. Provide a word bank. If students learned about past tense verbs or adjectives, include a list of words that they can use. Give them a model. Before they write, show an example entry. Even something simple like, today I learned about capital letters. We use capital letters for names. I can write my name, like Maria or Jose. This lowers the pressure and makes writing feel more manageable. Step 2, connect journal prompts to lessons. To make journal writing meaningful, connect it to the things that you're working on. Like I mentioned in step 1, whatever the students are working on, that's what you want to focus on. So here's some examples. If you taught phonics, students can write, today I learned about the sound sh. Some words with sh are, and then you go down the list of words. If you focused on greetings and introductions, a journal entry might be, I can say, hello, my name is. I can ask, what is your name? If the lesson was about daily activities, the prompt could be, in the morning, I blank. In the afternoon, I blank. This way, students are not just writing. They're reinforcing key vocabulary and grammar in a meaningful way. Step 3, use visuals to support writing. Some students may feel nervous about writing, so pictures can help. Use picture cues. If the lesson was about emotions, show a set of faces that have students complete. For example, I feel blank today because blank. Kind of go through the motions with them. Make them feel like, hey, you're right there with them in the process. They want to feel that, maybe the training wheels are still necessary, and that's cool, and that's all right. Just make them feel like it's whatever they're working on, you're right there to help them in the system. And if need be, let them draw. If students can't find the words yet, let them draw first. Then they can label their pictures or write a simple sentence. You'd be surprised. Some students feel more at ease in depicting the things that they want to say. And then in journal writing, there's no, the rules are malleable. Graphic organizers are great. Word web, sentence frames, and T-charts make writing more structured and easier to complete. Step 4, keep journals low stress and positive. One of the biggest hurdles for beginner learners is fear of making mistakes. So we want to create a safe space for writing. Here's how we do that. Focus on ideas first, not grammar. The goal is to express ideas, not perfection. Celebrate effort. If a student writes iron English, praise them. They're applying what they know. Even if the spelling's off, even if it looks a little, off, if you can make sense of it, that's something to celebrate. Use feedback checklist. Instead of corrections, ask, did you write incomplete sentences? Did you use capital letters? Did you try new words? Asking these questions allows the students to make their own corrections, whereas you're making the corrections, they're making their own corrections. And that gives them more empowerment in what they're doing, more command of their writing. This builds confidence and helps students see their progress over time. Step 5. Make journals a routine. For journals to be effective, they need to be consistent. Try these approaches. Set a time. Make journaling part of the daily routine, even if it's just 5 minutes at the end of class. Prepare writing with speaking. Let students share their journal entries with a partner before or after writing. Keep journals in the classroom. This way, students can see their progress over time. And in my experience, they tend to lose these things over time as well. So it's best you keep it if you can. With consistency, students will not only improve their writing skills, but also gain confidence in expressing their thoughts in English. Reflective journals are a simple but powerful way to help English learners practice writing in a meaningful way. By providing structure, prompts, visuals, and encouragement, we can make journaling a tool for both language growth and self-expression. Thank you for watching I Want to Teach English and this video. If you like it, please hit that like button, share it with others. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And please, feel free to drop your comments below. Let us know what strategies you have. Maybe I missed a few things that you thought is really important to mention. We'd love to hear your comments down below. Thank you all, everyone. Until next time, God bless.